Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to unbox two new cubes. These are not very unique cube. These are common cubes, but I just wanted to add into my collection. So I ordered it. So let's see which all I got. I've ordered four different cubes, which are not very unique, but let's see which cubes I got. Okay, so I see. So it's like this. Okay, so this is fruit shape cube. So in fact, I was not having this cube, so I thought let us have this series fruit shape uh, Rubik's cube. It is very smooth. You can see this, and you can solve it like 3 by 3. And I think this is one more this part they have given. So in case if this is, if I lose this, then maybe I can use it. Okay, so what next? This is, I think, bigger packet size than the actual box of the cube. Yeah. Okay, so this is very sweet 2 by 2 by 3 cuboid. So this is very smooth, and so just wanted to add this small cube also into my collection. So it's very smooth. So thank you for watching.